I am joining in today with my awesome friend Deborah Capasa. Independent Day Open Invitation Collab. She is the hostess for this wonderful, wonderful display. She made it simple. Freestyle means you can decorate anything you want. You can do a vignette, tablescape, any area of your home. Everything goes on the tables on this one. And her co-hostess is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel. Another great channel. I join in with these girls all the time. They're both great creators, and you're going to love both their channels. They put up great content, great variety. You're never going to get bored. And also, please check out the playlist. A lot of awesome creators joined in on this challenge, and I'm sorry to say I was late, but I still joined in. So sometimes we get late because we just can't do it on time. Don't give up. Keep trying. Here I am, putting mine up. Now you want to see what Grandma did? Come on. Let's see what I did. Mine ended up so long, I had to make a two-parter out of it. Well, I'm so sorry my video was so long, I had to break it up into a two-parter. Yes, I did. Can you believe it? You know, Grandma gets started on a project and she doesn't know how to stop. So here is our second part to this challenge. And I wanted to just give you a little recap of what we had in the first part. A beautiful centerpiece for the 4th of July. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. What did you think? You know how much Grandma loves making big, beautiful centerpieces. Let me walk back a little bit and let you have a better look at the full centerpiece. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you didn't watch it, please go back and watch the previous one and let us know what you thought about it. Well, let's get ready. Let's watch that second part of this video now. I appreciate all your love and support, and if you're not already following, please think about it, please. We'd love to have you be part of our family, and please let us know what you thought of the video. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. And don't forget, we always put up something new and different every day on this channel, so you're not going to get bored either. Well, let's see what other things Grandma wanted to share for the 4th of July. Deborah just gave us too many options, and when you give me too many options, I can go pretty crazy putting things together. So Deborah, it's all your fault. This video went so long, I had to do a second version, or I should say a second part, because you've inspired me so much. I just wanted to share a new one of my pieces. Isn't she the cutest thing you've ever seen? Look at that little face and those big, beautiful grayish blue eyes. And she has her cute little hat. You know how I love the little bit of whimsy in everything I have. And she's all ready for the 4th of July. She's got her 4th of July star out and her American flag. Isn't she the sweetest thing you've ever seen? Now come on, all you doll collectors. Come on, let's see what you think of this one. Oh my. And look at her beautiful, beautiful dress. Finished off perfectly. And all the beautiful flowers scattered all about. Now you know how much Grandma loves whimsical things. And isn't this beautiful? And look at those cute little shoes. And look at her little ankles. All the detail work. All the shading. And everything someone put into all of this doll to make her look so beautiful and lifelike. Look at her beautiful little face. And all ready for the 4th of July. And look at how the eyes, the smile. She is the sweetest little thing. Whoops, Grandma's trying to kill herself out in the garden. Wasn't she worth waiting for? Oh, yeah. When I saw her, you know I had to buy her. Now, I could have never afforded to buy her brand new. She was probably very, very expensive. But just because I couldn't afford to buy her brand new didn't mean I couldn't look around. And you know where she came from. Everybody knows. Everybody should be yelling out right now at the screen. From Annalie's home. Annalie always has something beautiful for sale. And I have found so many beautiful, beautiful pieces. Haven't I? Oh my. When I saw this, I snagged it right up. And I knew she'd be perfect for my 4th of July display. Oh, I don't know what else I can do with her. She's just so cute. I can't wait. Maybe we'll use her every month for something. Maybe I can dress her up for every holiday. Maybe we can get her something to look like a little Halloween costume for Halloween. Yep. Grandma really doesn't have enough space to keep buying new pieces. But maybe we can just add a few little accessories. Yes, that sounds like a great plan. Let me know what you thought about my new sweet little doll. Especially all you doll collectors. And keep adding a little doll here and a little doll there. Not that she's little, as you can see. But maybe I can join in on a challenge once in a while with the doll collectors. Well, to all of you, a happy 4th of July. And look at that cute little face. Let me know what you thought about my new sweetheart. Take care. Bye-bye for now. See you in the next video. I have a very small bathroom, but even in a small bathroom, you can put something up if you really want to. I squeezed a very large display in a very, very small space, as you can see. I put in one of my butterfly wings. You know we love the whimsy. Put a few of these beautiful gnomes in here. And I added some firecrackers and 3 of my butterflies and 1 of my blue and white plates to put all my little accessories on to bring the 4th of July into the bathroom. I know it's pretty tiny and it's pretty crowded, but we made it work and we put it all together. To go with this butterfly theme, I had some little tea towels that I put in the bathroom also. And here is one with the butterfly theme. You know how much Grandma loves her butterflies. And I was able to find some with the 4th of July feel to them. Aren't they beautiful? And I have another one on the other side of this tiny, tiny bathroom. And as you can see, Grandma made it fit. It wasn't easy, but we made it work. Let me know what you thought about this little tiny bathroom display in the red, white, and blue. Even a small space can be decorated.